Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Ali Bintari Indra Putri, study number 22411083. In this video, I will explain about stakeholders, creditors, corporate social responsibility. First, stakeholders. Stakeholders are individuals, group, or organizations that have an interest in or are affected by the company's activities and decisions. They can influence or be influenced by the achievement of the company goals. Types of stakeholders. First, internal stakeholders. That include employees, management, owner, or shareholders. Employees have an interest in working condition, compensation, and career development. Management responsible for corporate decision making and strategy, and owner or shareholders is seek a return on their investment and play a role in strategy decision making. External stakeholders that include customers, supplier, communities, government, and creditors. Customers seek quality product and service and good value. Supplier rely on the company for raw material and product. Communities are impacted by the company's operation either positively or negatively. Government regulates and taxes the company and expect compliance with the law. And creditors have an interest in the company's financial health to ensure loan repayment. Role of stakeholders. First, influence on decision. Stakeholders can influence managerial decisions through feedback, pressure, or support. 2. Operational impact. Company decision can have a direct impact on stakeholders' well-being, such as employees affected by cost cutting and contribution to success. Engage and satisfied stakeholder can contribute to the company's success and growth. Next, creditors. A creditor is an individual or institution that provides loans or credit to a company in the hope of getting back the amount borrowed plus interest. Type of creditor. First, short-term creditor that include bank and supplier. Banks provide short-term loans for working capital needs, and supplier offer credit for the purchase of goods and service. And long-term creditors that include financial institution and bond investor. Financial institution provide long-term loans for investment and expansion, and bond investor purchase bonds issued by companies to earn interest. Next, role of creditors. First, capital providers. Creditor provide the funds needed for a company's operation and expansion. 2. Financial monitoring. Creditor often conduct financial analysis to assess the company's risk and financial health. And 3. Term and condition. Creditor may set certain conditions that a company must comply with, such as the debt to equity ratio. Next, corporate social responsibility or CSR. Corporate social responsibility or CSR is a concept where companies commit to operating ethically and contributing to economic development while improving the quality of life of employees, their family, local community, and society as a whole. CSR aspect. First, economic. They include creating value for shareholders, contribute to local and national economic growth. 2. Social. That include improve community welfare through education, health, and poverty alleviation program, and promote diversity and inclusion in the workplace. And 3. Environmental. That include reduce negative impact of the environment through sustainable practices and invest in environmentally friendly technology and efficiency resource management. Benefit of CSR. Relationship between stakeholder, creditor, and CSR. Stakeholders, including creditor, are increasingly paying attention to company CSR practices. Socially responsibility companies tend to be more attractive to creditors because they are considered more stable and sustainable. Good CSR implementation can increase trust and support from stakeholders, including creditors, which in turn can increase the company access to capital and research. Creditor can provide better terms or additional support to companies that demonstrate a commitment to CSR, such as lower interest rate or more flexible payment terms. In conclusion, stakeholder and creditor play an important role in the success of a company. Corporate social responsibility or CSR is not only a moral obligation but also a business strategy that can improve relationship with stakeholders and creditors. Companies that integrate CSR into their strategy tend to be more successful in the long term, both financially and in terms of reputation. By understanding and managing this relationship, companies can create sustainable value for all parties involved. Okay, that's all explanation about stakeholders, creditors, and corporate social responsibility or CSR from me. Thank you for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.